Yo, what's up everyone? It's Wakar and we're diving into Oracle Apex dashboards. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, this video is your guide to mastering Apex dashboards. Let's get started. All right, first things first, we got to get you situated in your Apex workspace. If you haven't already, log into your Oracle Apex environment. It's all web-based, so nothing to install. Once you're in, look for the App Builder tab. Hit Create and select New Application. Give your application a descriptive name. Choose a theme that aligns with your brand or style. Select relevant features like charts, reports, and interactive elements. Hit Create Application. Boom! You're now officially in the Apex game. Okay, so we've got our workspace set up. Now let's talk data. Data is the lifeblood of any dashboard, and getting it right is crucial. Apex can handle data from various sources. Whether it's a traditional database, a cloud service, or even a simple spreadsheet, Apex has you covered. Ideally, your data should be organized in a table. This makes it easier to manage and query. Think of it as setting the foundation for your dashboard. If you're working with external data, don't worry. Apex can seamlessly integrate with external datasets, ensuring you have all the information you need. Apex can connect to RESTful web services. This means you can pull in data from APIs, giving you real-time access to the latest information. Create SQL queries tailored to what you want to visualize. These queries will help you filter, sort, and aggregate your data, making it ready for visualization. These queries will act like blueprints for our charts and reports. They define the structure and content of what you'll see on your dashboard. If you're comfortable with SQL, write your own queries. This gives you full control over the data and how it's presented. If not, use Apex's Visual Query Builder. It's a user-friendly tool that lets you create complex queries without writing a single line of code. Get your data squared away and write those queries. This step is essential for ensuring your dashboard is accurate and reliable. We're about to level up your data visualization game. With the right data and queries, your dashboard will be both powerful and insightful. All right, let's start building the heart of our dashboard interactive reports. These reports are essential for transforming raw data into meaningful insights that can drive decision-making. Navigate to the page where you want to add your report. This is where the magic begins as you set the stage for a dynamic and engaging data experience. Hit Create Page and select Interactive Report. This option allows you to create a report that users can interact with, making the data exploration process more intuitive and user-friendly. Choose the data source for your report. This could be a database, a spreadsheet, or any other data repository that holds the information you need. Select the query that pulls in the data you want to display. Writing an efficient query is crucial as it determines the accuracy and relevance of the data presented. Customize the column headers, font sizes, and colors. Personalizing these elements helps in making the report more readable and visually appealing. Add filters to let users drill down into specific data sets. Filters are powerful tools that enable users to focus on the data that matters most to them. Enable sorting so users can rearrange the data. Sorting options allow users to organize the data in a way that makes the most sense for their analysis. Highlight specific data points like top performers. Emphasizing key metrics helps in drawing attention to the most important aspects of the data. Interactive reports empower users to explore data on their own terms. Make those reports shine. By providing a user-friendly interface and powerful tools, you enable users to uncover insights and make data-driven decisions with confidence. We've got the data displayed in interactive reports, but visuals tell the story. Charts are a powerful way to convey complex data in a simple, understandable format. They help in identifying trends, patterns, and outliers that might not be immediately obvious from raw data alone. From the Create Page menu, select Chart. This is your starting point for creating a visual representation of your data. The interface is user-friendly and guides you through the process step by step. Apex offers various chart types. Bar, which is great for comparing quantities across categories. Line, ideal for showing trends over time. Pie, perfect for illustrating proportions, and scatter plots, which are useful for identifying relationships between variables. Choose the data source for your chart. This could be a table, a view, or even a custom SQL query. Select the query that pulls in the data you want to visualize. Make sure your query is optimized for performance to ensure quick loading times. Specify which data points go on the X and Y axes. This step is crucial as it determines how your data will be plotted and interpreted. Customize the look and feel of your charts. Change colors, add labels and legends, tweak the axes. Personalizing your charts can make them more engaging and easier to understand. Add tooltips for additional information. Tooltips can provide context and details without cluttering the main visual. Experiment with different chart types and customizations. Don't be afraid to try new things and see what works best for your data. Let your data do the talking. With Apex charts, you can create compelling visuals that communicate your data's story effectively and efficiently. We've got our reports and charts. Now let's assemble everything into a cohesive dashboard. Create a new blank page as your canvas. Use regions to arrange charts and reports. Drag and drop regions, resize and arrange them. Use a simple grid system or custom CSS for unique looks. Keep design principles in mind: clear labels, easy color palette, natural layout flow. Experiment with different layouts and designs. Create a dashboard that's visually appealing and easy to use. The goal is to effectively communicate your data and insights. Our dashboard is looking sharp, but let's make it interactive with dynamic actions. Dynamic actions are the brains behind your dashboard's interactivity. Define actions triggered by specific events. Create a dynamic action that refreshes a report when a user selects a different value. Add filters to reports and charts for specific datasets. Combine dynamic actions and filters for an immersive experience. Let users explore data on their own terms and uncover hidden insights. We're in the home stretch. Test everything thoroughly, click through every button, try out every filter, check for performance issues and optimize queries if needed. Ensure the dashboard is intuitive and easy to use. Get feedback from others for fresh perspectives. Building a dashboard is an iterative process. Refine until you've created a visually stunning and highly functional dashboard. So there you have it, a deep dive into creating stunning dashboards with Oracle Apex. Apex makes it accessible even if you're not a coding guru. Create stunning dashboards and unlock the true potential of your data. Until next time, keep it locked right here. Peace!